Hi everybody, my name is Shraddha and I'm working as a marketing executive at Starcom Information Technology Limited. Here I'm giving you the Star BI product demo, a web demo. Starcom Business Intelligence Tool Star BI is a self-service BI tool which allows you to discover trends, track KPIs and visualize data. You can also connect to multiple data sources, create and schedule reports, set alerts and run predictive analytics with a drag and drop GUI. We have these three modules in Star BI: Star BI Designer, Star BI Server and Star BI Viewer. Star BI Designer is a Windows-based designer where you can connect your data source, drag and drop measure and dimension. You can develop your dashboard with different charts and maps available. It is a self-service BI so that any business user can develop their dashboard without writing a single query. Star BI Server is a web-based server where you can publish the dashboard and share it with our business stakeholders. Different users can log in from anywhere and view the dashboard assigned to them. Star BI Viewer is a Windows-based app where you will be able to view the dashboards with all the interactivity and also export the dashboard in PDF and image. This is our Star BI Designer landing page. Here we will click on the New Data Source tab. Star BI connect to various data source type: database, cube, Hadoop, flat files, data extract. Let me show you the enterprise data source we connect to: MS SQL Server, SAP, Oracle, MySQL, Teradata, and so on. Similarly, we can connect the data through OLAP, Hadoop, or flat files. For Star BI demo, I will use sample Excel sheet. Select the sheet from the workbook. Once the sheet is selected, check all the boxes for import settings. Star BI Intelligence System will select the data type automatically. Alternatively, you can change the data type. On the left side of the screen, you can see the selected columns. We do have a calculated field option for mathematical calculations. Functions like getDate, if-else, date, difference, aggregate functions like average, sum, count, and so on. Now I will design a dashboard and show you how easy it is to design a dashboard using self-service BI. These are the different charts and maps available. I will design a bar chart which will show the net sales by region. Let me drag region field in argument and net sales in value section. Here is my bar chart showing the net sales by region. Let me sort this by net sales. I can change the color by selecting the hue option. I will name it to region-wise sales. These are the different charts options available. You can convert the design by just selecting any of the chart option. You can convert the chart to similar chart with relevant data fields. Let me convert the bar chart to a pie chart. Now in the Design tab, you can see the different options to customize your pie chart. By default, your data labels will be argument and percentage. You can even change it to value and percentage, percent, argument and value. Let us change it to argument. Similarly, you can also convert your pie chart to a donut. And you can also edit the colors of the donut. Now I am designing a bar chart which will display year-wise net sales. Let me drag order date in argument and net sales in value section. I can even change the color of my bar chart. Let me show you a drill down feature. I can select the Data tab and click on Drill Down. Now I have to drag the order date in the argument section and change the year to quarter so that I can see my quarterly sales. Once you drill down, you can see the quarterly sales. You can also further drill down the quarter into month, and I can see my monthly sales. Now if you can see my bar chart, I can drill down in each year to quarter, and I can drill down my quarter to month and see all my sales. I will name it to net sales by year. Now I will design a card by using sales and sales target in actual and target sections respectively. I will drag the product category in series section. This will show me my sales performance of each category compared to the sales target. Since it is showing a red in stationery category, I need further information on the category. So I will drag the product subcategory and enable the drill down option to see the details. Now it is showing performance of subcategory product under the product category stationery. Similarly, I can come back to initial stage and look for other product category performance. Now in the card setting, I can change the variation to be displayed in percent variation and finally name it to product category KPI. Now I will design a map which will show sales across India. Let me select the Codoplet map option and drag the state and attribute field and net sales in value section. Since the default map is a world map, I need to change it to India map. Here is your map showing sales across India. To display the names of the states, let me bind the names in the map by using shape labels. Now I can change the color of each state as per my net sales range. Finally, I will name it to sales across India. Now if I hover on my map, I can see different states. Let me rearrange the dashboard pane so that it will look good. You can rearrange it however you like. You can choose the Design tab and arrange in rows and arrange in columns. Now my dashboard is ready. I will name it to Sales Dashboard. I can import some images like company logo as well. Now I need to save this dashboard and publish it to the SAP BI server so that any business user can log in and view the dashboard from anywhere.